Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to play Clash Royale on PC using EmuPlayer, one of the best Android emulators out there for smooth performance and easy setup. Let's get started. First, go to the official EmuPlayer website and download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the file and install EmuPlayer on your computer. It only takes a few minutes. After installation, launch EmuPlayer. On the main screen, click on the App Center search bar. Next, sign in with your Google account, just like you would on your phone. After signing in, type Clash Royale into the search bar and press Enter. When the game appears in the results, click Install to download it directly from the Google Play Store. If you don't see Clash Royale in the Play Store for some reason, don't worry. You can still install it manually. Just download the Clash Royale APK file from a trusted source and drag it into the EmuPlayer window to install it locally. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Clash Royale icon on your EmuPlayer home screen. Click it to start playing. Now you can enjoy Clash Royale on your PC with bigger visuals, smoother controls, and better performance. You can even customize key bindings, graphic settings, and frame rates to get the best experience possible. And that's it! You're all set to play Clash Royale on PC using EmuPlayer. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love Clash Royale. See you in the next one!